Welcome to Jannittos Farm, where every seed grows with love and every harvest brings joy. Here, farming is life, happiness, and hope. Join us as we grow together, one pawpaw at a time.
Pawpaw, also known as papaya, is one of the easiest and most rewarding fruits to grow. Today, I'll take you step by step from choosing the right seed to caring for your trees so you can enjoy a healthy, abundant harvest. Start with high-quality seeds from healthy, disease-free fruits. For commercial farming, certified hybrid seeds are best. They give stronger plants and higher yields. Mix fertile topsoil with compost. Fill nursery bags and plant 2 to 3 seeds per bag, about 1 centimeter deep. Keep them moist but not waterlogged. After 6 to 8 weeks, when seedlings are about 20 centimeters tall, transplant them to the farm. Space them 2.5 meters apart for good airflow and sunlight. Mulching conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and enriches the soil. Use dry grass, banana leaves, or maize stalks around the base of each plant. My friends, are we together? Pawpaw is not just a fruit, it is an opportunity. When you plant pawpaw, you are planting food for your family and income for your pocket. This is a crop that can change your life if you care for it well. Let's walk this journey step by step, and I promise you will see the results. Are we together? Water regularly, especially during dry seasons. Pawpaw roots are shallow. Consistent moisture is key, but avoid waterlogging. Prune off yellowing or diseased leaves to keep the plant healthy. This also improves airflow and reduces pest attacks. Feed your pawpaw with compost or well-rotted manure every few months. Balanced nutrients ensure strong growth and sweet fruits. For farmers aiming at uniform quality, grafting can be done, joining a strong rootstock with a high-yielding scion. This ensures disease resistance and better fruiting. Grafting is a simple but powerful technique. Here, we join a strong rootstock with a high-yielding scion to create one healthy pawpaw plant. This process gives us trees that are more resistant to disease and produce better fruits. With grafting, your farm becomes stronger and your harvest more reliable. Watch out for pests like aphids and diseases like powdery mildew. Use organic sprays or neem extracts to protect your crop. In just 9 to 12 months, your pawpaw trees will reward you with fruits. Harvest when the skin starts turning yellow for the sweetest taste. See how simple and rewarding pawpaw farming can be? With just the right care, watering, mulching, pruning, and feeding, you too can enjoy a farm full of sweet, healthy fruits. Let's make our land fruitful together. If you loved this guide, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and comment below the next fruit you'd like us to plant together. And of course, subscribe to join our growing community of farmers and learners. Your farm could be the next success story.